Hello, everyone. I'm Alicia. Welcome to Mission Vocab. Today's advanced English vocabulary word is schmooze. Schmooze is a verb that means to chat in a friendly, strategic way, usually to build relationships, make connections, or gain social advantage informally. For example, at the conference, Katie skipped the stiff sales pitch and schmoozed with editors over coffee until the conversation felt natural. He tried to schmooze the hiring manager before the interview, but his compliments sounded too rehearsed to feel genuine. After the charity dinner, the mayor stayed an extra hour to schmooze with donors, reporters, and local business owners. Synonyms for schmooze include chat, network, mingle, socialize, flatter, and butter someone up. Schmooze is informal and often slightly humorous. It can sound friendly and skillful or a little fake, depending on whether the conversation feels sincere. That's schmooze. One word, stronger English.